Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to build a LEGO Lamborghini Huracan. First, ensure you have all the necessary LEGO pieces and the instruction manual ready. Organizing your bricks by color and size will make the building process much smoother and more enjoyable. Always follow the step-by-step guide carefully to prevent any mistakes and ensure a perfect build, creating a sturdy foundation for your model. As you progress, connect the larger base plates first to establish a strong and stable foundation for your Lamborghini. It is crucial to pay close attention to the orientation of specialized pieces, as they often dictate the model's intricate curves and angles. Always double-check each completed section before moving to the next stage to ensure accuracy and prevent having to backtrack later. Now for the exciting part. Installing the intricate engine components and interior features that bring your Lamborghini to life. Carefully attach the wheels, ensuring they spin freely for that realistic touch. Finally, apply all decorative stickers precisely. Taking your time with these finishing touches will give your LEGO Lamborghini Huracan a truly polished and authentic appearance, ready for display. Once your magnificent LEGO Lamborghini Huracan is complete, find a stable and visible spot to proudly showcase your masterpiece. To preserve its vibrant colors and condition, keep your model away from direct sunlight and dust. A little care goes a long way in maintaining its pristine look. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.